Disclaimer: this video is for educational and demonstration purposes only. The HID scripts shown are simple, harmless examples intended for learning and experimentation in safe environments. I do not condone or support any illegal activity. Always use these tools responsibly and ethically.
Today, I'm going to be demonstrating the ZeroTrace. I'm going to be showing you some of the payloads I've made. This one I'm going to show you right now is actually a prank. It's basically a hacker takeover. And at the end of it, actually shuts down computer. So it's a really fun prank one to play on somebody. But I ended up writing this all in ZeroTrace script. They have their own script language. And it's really easy to convert Ducky script over into ZeroTrace language. But I was able to write this stuff on my own, just going one by one. It took a couple hours to make this payload, but it actually came out really cool. And I'm going to demonstrate it right now for you. So I go ahead and hit execute. So here you go. Okay, and then another thing opens up, shows a whole bunch of fake stuff. Another window will pop up. And another window's gonna pop up saying goodbye. Goodbye. And then the computer will shut down. And there you go. That little guy did all of that and all this script. So I ended up uploading this script to the ZeroTrace website. So if you want to download this for yourself and test it, you can. I also have another script that I made that is actually a helpful tool for somebody that's in even a help desk or any IT job. I'm going to show you that one in a moment. That one was called Hacker Takeover. There's a Bluetooth version of it that works a little bit differently than this one, and the Bluetooth version actually makes this color purple, which I think is cool. So all the scripts I made, I have like a little bit of a signature in it, so I do stuff like that, make it purple. But anyway, so let me go ahead and show you the next one. So this one I call the HelpDesk helper. Basically what this does, it opens up a whole bunch of stuff for you. So it starts out by opening up Windows updates, open up the temp file folder, open up your download folder, open up task manager, open up event viewer, open up device manager, and CMD IP config /all for all your networking information. So this will run and do all of that for you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this script right now. I'm going to go ahead and hit execute. That turns blue to let you know it's attacking. Well, not attacking, but opens up Windows Update, your temp files, your downloads, task manager, event viewer, device manager, and IP config. So really useful, especially when you can connect over this with a Bluetooth connection. You can just walk up to the computer, connect Bluetooth, hit the payload, and it'll bring up all this stuff for you. So I think it's a really cool tool, and it's actually a positive tool. And again, all this stuff that I made, I uploaded to the community page on the ZeroTrace dashboard. So if you want any of the payloads that I made, it's going to be there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that and also show you the script editor. So on the ZeroTrace dashboard, which I'll put the link in the description, you see all the community's contributions here. You can see all payloads that you can download and try for yourself. Just download and then put into your ZeroTrace. You can either save it or do it live and do exactly what I just did there. All right, so I grabbed this really basic Ducky script, the Hello World one. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste it here. And as you see immediately, it transforms it into ZeroTrace script. And the thing I really like about it is that this language is really easy to understand. So somebody that doesn't know coding at all, I want to get into coding. I'm going to be getting into this stuff later on the YouTube channel. But this is a kind of a nice way to start a little bit because I get the idea. So you can see like write, control, update. Like this is easy language to understand. While like a Ducky script, instead of write, it says string. And the language is a little different. This one's more plain and in your face, so you can kind of see exactly what's going on. Delay, that's the time it delays. Combo key, it means a combination of keys that you're pressing. So you see here that this language is pretty easy to understand, and I think that's really useful. So if you're someone that wants to learn coding and you don't know, you have no foundation at all, I mean, this kind of gives you a concept. Now, granted, this is not a language that everybody uses every single day. I'm going to end up learning Python eventually, C++, anything that's going to help me with cybersecurity. But this is kind of good to get the basic fundamentals, and it's kind of easy to do. So it's basically HID script, but you're converting it into a much easier readable language. So, all right, so before I upload this video, I ended up posting some more scripts, and this one came out really good. So I want to show you this one before I end this video. So I'm going ahead and download it because I already saved it to the site. Download this script, and this is part 1 of the script, and I need part 2. Which is right here, the matrix. So I'm going to download this. And now you can do the same thing I'm doing right now. So this is the community share page here on the dashboard. So let me go ahead and set this up. All right, here's part 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and open up part 1. We're going to copy all of this. Paste it, and we're going to execute it. So what's going to happen is we're making a matrix. We're making a file, a bat file, and every time you open it, it creates this cool matrix effect. And I customized it to say my name in it. And I have it so it actually sets up the file for you, and it's nice and takes its time when it does it. And then part 2 is that you don't need to create the file every time. You can just run that file. So I'm going to show you the setup. Okay, so there it is. It's setting up the file. And it's almost done. Now it's going to save it. And now it's going to run that file. There you go. So sometimes it gets confused with the file location. So if that bat file gets saved in a different location other than documents, just move it to documents. And there you get this cool effect. And actually you can tell it says Ghost Strats and a whole bunch of numbers in it. Pretty cool. Really cool. So I hope you guys like this video. I just want to do a quick video showing you the ZeroTrace and the scripting language and some of the payloads that I made. And I uploaded to the community. And I'm going to continue to use this thing. I really do like it. And I'm going to be updating my ZeroTrace Pro, which I just got in the mail. And I'll be doing the same thing with it and doing some testing. So once I get that set up, I will go ahead and make a video. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Remember, safety is an illusion. And I'll see you guys in the next video.